What's up guys, and welcome to the 50-second tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about const reference parameters. In the previous tutorial we looked at const references, however in this tutorial we're moving on to const reference parameters. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go right to the top and type in struct date parentheses and then int day, month, then year, and then close this off and move on to the next line and type in after the curly brace dt equals 1st of February 99, and then close that off with a curly brace. Okay, so this was the same as we did in the last tutorial, so we'll move on to the next one. Now type in void display date const date dr parentheses, then move on to the next line and type in curly braces, and we can say std cout dr day, close that off, put in a space, copy all this and paste it to the next line, and then indent again, and then change this to month, change this to the year, and then sort that out, and then close this off with a semicolon, and then move on to the actual main program itself by saying int main parentheses curly braces. We can say const date ampersand dr equals dt, and then we can say display date. So if I just copy this, paste it here, and then put in dr, this is a call the function. This is an actual call to the function that passes a const reference to the date. So we can save this and compile it, but before we actually execute the whole program, let's just run through this and see what's actually happening. So we have a program that represents or demonstrates const reference parameters. At the right at the top we have an actual struct, and then we move down to the program, and where it says void display date const date ampersand dr, function that accepts a const reference to date, and then all this gets printed out. Move on to the actual program itself, the main program, and where it says display date dr, call the function passing a const reference to date. So let's execute this and see what happens. So build succeeded, and then we get the 1st of February 99. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.